Hi, this is Dana Smith, and I'm here to let you know that the best doTERRA wellness advocate that I know of is Jennifer Snell. I was introduced to doTERRA oils by Jennifer back in June of 2019. And I could go on and on forever about all the positive impacts that I've had on my life because of the doTERRA oils, but I will give you two examples. One, the toxic-free living with the doTERRA oils that are used for cleaning, laundry, dishwashing, and etc. As well as the lifelong vitality and other supplements that I take have helped immensely with my ability to deal with my certain health issues that I have. Please, if you are looking to start your essential oil journey, please contact Jennifer Snell. Thank you.